So we'll start discussing about C data types, and I've chosen Ubuntu server, which is an x86 64-bit architecture. The compiler version is 7.5.0. We'll be discussing about the C basic types and the modifiers available within C, each of them in detail. Here is a program to explain the basic C data types. The program includes stdio and stdbool header files. Inside the main function, I defined variables for character, integer, float, double, and bool. And I am using the printf statements to print the size of each of the variables I defined. I am also printing the size of the void data type and incomplete data type used in C. On executing the program which I explained previously, we see the size of each of the variables printed in bytes. We can see that the size of character is 1 byte, size of integer is 4 bytes, the size of float is 4 bytes, the size of double is 8 bytes, the size of boolean is 1 byte, and the size of void is 1. Here is a program to explain the modifiers signed and unsigned for character data type. In this program, I included the header file limits.h, which has got the range defined for each of the data types. In this case, character. For the signed character, we have got a range defined for str min and the max value of str max. While printing for a str min, the negative value, the X format prints the 0xFFs extra because printf treats the higher bound value as an integer value instead of a single byte character value. Hence it's ANDed with 0xFF to nullify that effect. On running the program, char type range, we find the lower bound signed character has got -128, 0x80, the upper bound value 127, 0x7f. Similarly, the unsigned character, we find the lower bound is 0, the upper bound is 255. This was because in the case of unsigned character, all the 8 bits is being used. So the output 2 to the power of n minus 1 is what we are seeing here.